Music has been Israel Kamakawiwoʻole's one constant, from when he was an 11-year-old boy in Palolo Valley to a teenager in Makaha, when he, his brother and friends formed the Makaha Sons of Ni'ihau. But over the years, Israel faced a series of devastating losses. His departure last year from the Makaha Sons of Ni'ihau, the death of both his parents, and in 1982, the death of his singing partner and best friend, his brother Skippy.
I guess he died of a massive heart attack, and I guess it's due to the weight and I guess depression. I guess he never have nobody for really talk to like how me, you know. I had somebody like Dave Tasaka.
Dave Tasaka is the man who got Israel to start heading for the pool for exercise, to start dieting, and more importantly, Israel says, to start working on his inner self.
When you are overweight and people have carrying a lot of weight, it's kind of like the self-esteem go down a road. Now, at least I say I can love myself. You know, before I love anybody else or take care of anybody else, I have to take care of myself. You know what I mean?
And Israel says that's made him more tolerant of people who make remarks about his size.
I get offended by people talking, you know, snickering and stuff, you know, but hey, if they did that before, I'd walk up to them and I end up cracking them, you know. But hey, I learned my lesson. You can't hit nobody for just looking at you. It's just part of human nature, I guess, you know. People looking at you funny kind.
And now, 17 years after he should have graduated from high school, he's going to take the plunge and take the high school equivalence exam.
I was watching the TV the other day, about a month ago, and I seen that you can call in for your GED and take the test. So I did that. They sent me the paper, so I'm going to attempt to get my GED. Well, probably because I have a daughter that goes to Kamehameha. And my mom always told me, you're probably going to graduate the same time as your kids. She was almost right.
Israel is a man wiping off the past and facing the future.
I feel like God's light is shining on me, you know.